Hey guys, welcome you all to my YouTube channel Motivational Thoughts by Aditi. How to deal with disappointment. Before we even get there, let's try to understand what the hell is disappointment. When things does not go as per your expectation, as per your plan, as per your desire, it causes you disappointment. Look, as far as the disappointment impacts you for that moment, for that day, or maybe few days, it's okay. We are all human and we go through a lot of emotions. It's fine. But when it starts impacting your day-to-day life, your health, your well-being, your job, then something is wrong. You don't know how to deal with it. And that is what we are going to discuss today. Let me give you some scenarios and let me know in the comments how you would have dealt with them if you were in that situation. Scenario number 1. You have cleared all the rounds of the interview and you're literally waiting for that job offer letter, and suddenly the HR calls and inform you, sorry, this position has gone on hold. How would you feel? Disgusted, right? Scenario number 2. You are waiting for your dream boy or dream girl, and recently you have started communicating with someone. You are feeling amazing. You know that person is fitting in your all the checklist, and you feel probably this can be the one. And suddenly that person disappears, ghost on you. How would you feel? Terrible, hurt, rejected. Scenario number 3. You are working your ass off. You're literally working day and night. You're killing it. You are getting those positive vibes from your bosses and your colleagues that you deserve this promotion. And when the promotion list comes over, your name is not there. How would you feel? You will feel disgusted. You will feel like quitting at that moment. You will feel what the hell is going with your life. And that is where we go wrong. Lord Krishna has always told in Gita, focus on karma, not on the result. I know, it's not easy. It's not easy to not keep expectation. Unless we get that level of spiritual awakening, we will never reach there. But as far as we know how to manage the outcome of our expectation, it's fine. But when we don't know how to manage it, it gives us a lot of pain, a lot of hurt, and that gives us depression. See, whenever you go through that pain, go through that disappointment, you need to use your wisdom. You have to take a step back. Whatever age you are in, right? 20, 30, 40, 50, you have to look back at your years and remind yourself that you have faced so many disappointments in your life, but those pain are not with you anymore. It is temporary phase. It will just go away. The best part of life is that everything is temporary. Like the good days does not stay with you, the bad is also not going to stay with you. The hope, the aspiration of hope will always make you lead life. Life is not a straight line. It is a roller coaster ride. You may lose the battle, but you will never lose the war. And that's the attitude you need to keep in your life. And trust me, what you deserve, what is meant for you will definitely come back. You know that job offer? That same HR will call and inform you that the offer letter is going to get released now. That same guy will call you and would love to meet you. The promotion, if not this year, you are going to get next year, or something better is on your way. With that hope, always remember that you cannot brood over what is not within your control. Please ensure you forward this video to any of your friend who is going through some kind of disappointment and sadness in life. And if you liked it, ensure to hit the subscribe button and stay connected, because I am going to come back soon with again some motivational booster. Take care guys and stay blessed. Bye-bye.